Hey, Tim from Borderland Homestead here. I'm going to be replacing the map lights and some of the other interior lights with LEDs. So you can see these are like a orangey yellow, not super bright. Hard to tell now because it's daytime, but they're not very bright. Okay, so to take this off so we can replace those, open up the sunglass thing here, kind of move it out of the way. And let's see if I can do this one-handed. Yeah, just pop that out. Work around the edge. Oh, keep that on for now. Come on. There we go. Okay, and then I need to disconnect the two wiring harnesses. Okay, now that I have detached the wiring harnesses, which go in these two spots here, just a little push tab on the wire, push tab, very easy. Now I need to take off the plastic piece to access the bulbs and then push them out. So this piece right here has these tabs, one there, and these ones on the other side. Just need to release those to remove this cover. Okay, now we have the cover off of the lights. And now I can remove these bulbs. Now to get those light bulbs out, it's very difficult to grab them and pull them out. Maybe my fingers are just too big. So you need something small to go inside that hole to push them out. I'm using a very small Torx wrench, and I'm just going to put that in there and pop out the light. All right, there we go. They just popped right out. Easy peasy. Now we're going to install the small LEDs. Okay, so we have our LEDs here. You can see it has a unique shape. And if you look inside there, you can see that it needs to go this way. All right, I think. Okay, now those should be done. All right, the lights are reinstalled now and connected to the wiring harness. So let's see what they look like. Boom. Much brighter white light. Very good, super bright. Cool, on to the next ones. Okay, time to replace the rear dome light and the rear map lights. Okay, it took a little bit of wrestling, but I was able to get it out. You got a tab here and a tab there. And looks like that's about it. Just those two tabs and then the wire harness. And then you're left with this. Okay, now let's hook it up and see if we did it right. Okay, so I just connected the wiring harness, and all the lights do turn on, but they're so loose in here that any movement at all makes them flicker or sometimes not turn on at all. So I gotta figure out something here. I think I might get needle nose pliers and bend these little prongs in more so it holds them tight. I think that's my best option. Okay, using the needle nose pliers just to tighten those up a bit was perfect. All right, there we go. It's all washed up and clean, working. Success. Boy, I hope this doesn't break in my fingers. There we go. Okay. The license plate lights look just like the license plate lights look just like the map lights we replaced in the front. So you can see in here, just insert them. Is that as far as it goes? Get in there.